Hey everyone, so I've said it before and I'll say it again. You've been applying your blush wrong. You really have. Now, I know we've all been taught the same thing. You smile big, you find the apples of your cheeks, and then you apply it right there. And I know. Bobby Brown told you to do it back in the day, but she doesn't do it now, does she? But here's a secret no one tells you. When you stop smiling, that blush drops and it pulls your entire face down with it, which is not exactly the look you're going for. What I want you to do is just try this instead. You'll love it. Relax your face completely, no smiling. Then find the highest point of your cheekbone, which is usually right below the outer corner of your eye. That's the spot. Now apply your blush there and blend upwards towards your hairline and then down in a diagonal and blend. Now this places the color on the actual bone structure, which doesn't move when your expression changes. The result is an instant natural lift. It is a tiny shift in placement, but it makes all the difference. You're not just adding color, you're working with your face's natural architecture. So now you know. See you next time. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye. Subscribe. I've run out of ways to look humble about it.